What if I told you that some of the most thrilling, heart-pounding moments don't happen behind the wheel of a full-size car, but in the palm of your hand? Imagine the sound of a brushless motor kicking in, tires ripping through dirt, suspension absorbing every jump like a beast, and your RC car launching through the air like a missile. Now imagine doing all that in your backyard, at the park, or on your favorite trail. Welcome to Tech TrekNet. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a world where off-road power meets high-speed precision with 6 of the best brushless RC cars that push the limits of what's possible in scale racing. Whether you're a seasoned RC veteran or just entering the hobby, this lineup has something that will get your adrenaline pumping. Stick around, the item links are in the description, and if you find value in this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe for more epic gear reviews every week. Now let's kick things off with the HAIBOXING 2997A, a 1/12 scale remote control truck built for serious power and rugged terrain. This beast comes equipped with a 3,800 kV 3650 brushless motor and a 2S LiPo battery that gets you up to 30 miles per hour. But the fun doesn't stop there. Drop in a 3S battery and you're flying at over 45 miles per hour, carving through trails like a pro. The drivetrain is no joke either. With front, center, and rear differentials, this truck grips like a true hobby-grade racer. It's got aluminum oil-filled shocks, metal universal drive shafts, and a 45-amp splash-proof ESC with motor protection and low-voltage warning, all ready to handle dirt, grass, gravel, and even slope jumps. Whether you're bashing hard or going for precision control, the HAIBOXING 2997A delivers authentic off-road excitement right out of the box. Next up is the HyperGo 14303, a 1/14th scale RC car that doesn't just look fast, it drifts like a champion. Officially licensed by Citroën, this replica of the 2017 Citroën C3 WRC car is packed with detail, from aerodynamic bumpers to a wide-body spoiler. It's powered by a 2.845 3900 kV motor, and while it reaches 26+ miles per hour on a 2S battery, it can be boosted past 38 miles per hour with a 3S upgrade. But the real magic is in the independent gyro system, which helps with high-speed stability and unlocks jaw-dropping drift control, especially when dialed to around 75%. You get 3 sets of tires, a 400-foot range 3-channel radio, interactive lighting including brake lights and turn signals, and a solid 6061 aluminum chassis for durability. It's not just an RC car. It's a rally experience in your hands. Then we move to the RIAARIO 1/10 brushless rally car, a monster designed for scale realism and competitive performance. This isn't just any RC car. It features a polycarbonate body shell with racing decals, mirrored finishes, and aerodynamic spoilers. It's built on a CNC-machined 6061 aluminum chassis with oil-filled shocks, aluminum shock towers, and anti-roll bars, delivering excellent heat dissipation and stable landings on any terrain. At its core, it runs on a 3,800 kV metal brushless motor with a 45-amp waterproof ESC, giving you over 50 miles per hour of raw power. You get a 5-channel 350-meter range radio system, sealed front and rear differentials, an 11 kg micro servo, and a full DIY customization layout with clipless body locks and adjustable motor mounts. If you want pro-grade rally performance and control at your fingertips, this is your car. Alright, so fourth on the list is a rugged 1/14th scale RC truck that comes with a luggage rack, roof-mounted spotlights, and honestly, the heart of an all-terrain champion. Its aggressive stance and LED-equipped off-road design look like something straight out of an expedition, no kidding. Built on a double-layer cross-braced aluminum alloy frame, this truck is seriously ready for battle. It comes with two 3S 2200 mAh LiPo batteries and can hit speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour or 50 miles per hour, letting you conquer anything from loose sand and forest trails to hard-packed dirt. The off-road tires are made from natural rubber and feature unique treads for optimal grip, while its metal differential and suspension systems soak up brutal landings with ease. It's not just fast, it's rugged, tough, and honestly wildly fun to drive. Now let's talk about a true performance powerhouse, the WB12 Pro 1/12 brushless RC buggy. Built with precision, this buggy features an ultra-low center of gravity and a 45 to 55 weight distribution to dominate corners with track-level accuracy. It boasts a 7075 T5 aerospace-grade aluminum shock tower system that's not just tough, It's customizable. You can adjust your suspension across multiple axes for maximum control, even over brutal terrain. Its aggressive all-terrain tires grip like claws, and with a full metal large-diameter shock system and front and rear anti-roll bars, you'll enjoy razor-sharp control whether you're launching over dirt ramps or drifting sharp turns. Even beginners can handle it, thanks to a tank-grade lower arm bracket that absorbs impact and keeps things stable during rough landings. This buggy doesn't just survive the trail, it owns it. And finally, we've got the HAIBOXING H16PL, a 1/16th scale RC buggy that proves you don't need to be big to go hard. Powered by a 2.845 4200 kV 4-pole brushless motor and a 2S2000 mAh battery, this compact beast tops out at 38+ miles per hour and is capable of even more with 3S upgrades. The rear wing adds extra downforce, while the long rear shocks and front and rear differential ensure stability across jumps and turns. It comes with 2 full sets of tires, wider ones for sand and grass, narrower ones for track performance. Its composite honeycomb chassis is reinforced with a full metal CVD drivetrain and a metal spur gear and differential system backed by 16 precision bearings. It's rugged, reliable, and fast, perfect for bashers looking for high performance in a tight, portable package. Now let's wrap up with a final rundown. If you're after a versatile, all-around performer with high speed, serious durability, and dependable handling, the HAIBOXING 2997A is a solid bet. It's great for aggressive off-roaders who want waterproof tech and real racing suspension without breaking the bank. If drifting is more your speed, the HAIBOXING 14303 Citroën brings realism and drift power in one slick rally package. Gyro control, real lighting, and pro-level grip make it a favorite for street-style racers. For scale realism and custom-tuned rally control, the RIAARIO 1/10th is the clear winner. It's big, bold, and offers unmatched customization for hobbyists who love modding and track-level performance. If your goal is outdoor dominance with a rugged body and expedition-ready styling, the 1/14th RC Truck with roof lights is your off-road companion. Durable, fast, and built for adventure. For track lovers who want military-grade engineering in an RC buggy, the WB12 Pro offers insane cornering accuracy, anti-roll control, and extreme terrain stability. Ideal for the advanced racer who's all about performance. And last but not least, if you want something compact, versatile, and easy to tune, the HAIBOXING H16PL delivers power and precision in a tough 1/16th scale frame. Each of these brushless RC machines has a unique edge, and whichever one you choose, you're getting a speed-driven, terrain-conquering RC experience. Thanks for watching Tech Trek Net. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite pick, and subscribe for more top tech reviews and RC adventures. The item links are in the description below. Go check them out and start your RC journey today.